is the final look. Bye-bye!
Ayan, gigi.
Oo, overwhelm siya.
May lahi. Dugit na siya, I know. Pero yeah. Hi guys! Papunta po kami ng kapatid ko sa Dolores ngayon. Commute lang kami. Naghihintay po kami ngayon ng e-bus papuntang Grand. Nagpabutas na tayo ngayong kapatid ko. Both of his ears are now pierced. Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo sa experience?
Akala ko nung una masakit, di pala. Pag-uwi lang pala.
Ano sasabihin sa'yo ni nanay sa tingin mo?
Lumayas ka ng bata ko.
So I ordered chocolate KitKat and then ano siya, medium size and 180 pala siya. I thought napamahal lang ako.
I'm broke, nigga, I'm broke!
Hi guys, so I'm currently packing right now, like, ayan. I'm currently packing kasi tomorrow, papunta kami sa Zambales. Ang alis namin is 9 ng gabi, and I'm already packing na kasi yung stuff ko is ibibigay ko sa tatay ko. Kasi mauuna siyang pumunta sa Dolores kasi doon kami magbibigay ng journey namin. So, mauuna siya doon and then rin yun na yung gamit ko. And then, susunod na lang ako after my class ng 6:30. I think I'm gonna arrive sa Dolores around 7 or 8. Yeah, yun lang. I'm really tired. it's like 12:03 a.m. And then late ata to ng 5 minutes. I think it's already 12:08 or 12:09. So yeah. Medyo stress. Hindi naman ako stress, pero medyo pagod na ako. Like, I really wanna rest. But like, I have to fix my stuff muna. Kasi baka umalis agad yung dad ko. And yeah, I will be forced to dalhin yung gamit ko. And I don't want that. Papasok pa ako. Ay, wala yung ilaw. Hi guys, nasundo na po ako ng aking fatherette. Yeah. So, hi everyone! Today is July 17 and it's Thursday. Wala akong class and it's around 1 p.m. na and I will be heading out ngayon. Quick heading out lang kasi may i-check out lang akong store dito. It's like a surplus store and I have been eyeing that store for quite a long time now and ngayon lang ako nakaisip na puntahan siya. So yeah, come with me. So, this is the fit. Ignore the clothes sa background. Hindi pa ako naglilinis, pero this is the fit. Then, I'm gonna wear a jacket and magdala akong tote bag and this digicam. So, yeah. I will be going solo. Yeah. I forgot to mention that it was raining. I don't care. pupuntahan ko palang store is a surplus store. Na lang gusto ko lang mag-check ng antiques. So yeah. Come with me. Dito na ako. Sarap. So hi, on the way ako somewhere now, and then I bought some cheesecake, and wala akong nakita doon sa surplus store. I thought there would be antiques, pero wala. Pero ang ginawa ko na lang is bumili na lang ako isang mangkok para sa salad. Pero hindi alam ko, hindi yun para sa salad yung binili ko. So this is the blueberry cheesecake that I bought, and ayun, ganun na siya kasi nilagay ko siya sa bag. So yeah. Now, let's taste test. Yes! Okay, taste test natin. This actually is pretty good. Masarap! Masarap siya!
With a romance with our journalistic conventions, it seduces the ethical standards to flirt with the facts, content, and writing styles. Si AI na ito, parang dumuulang relasyon sa atin. Huwag kayong mag-inarte, tanggapin. Nilalandikan ng AI, makiisa ka.
Hi guys, paakit po ako ng taas ng CLV room 3. Nakatapos ko lang mag-shoot para sa PJ. And, okay na ako. I'm not sure about the photos that I got. Feeling ko palpak, pero sa loob naman. Medyo nakakapagod. And yeah, kakapsyon na ako and 10 minutes lang before mag-12. It's just a deadline. So yeah.
And our first place. Congratulations, Kristen.
Nakain na. Hi guys, change location po tayo real quick. Ayoko na, pagod na ako.
Ayaw na. Small yan. Yeah.
Parang ang laki.
Sabi na, medium lang ako.
Matitikip kasi kami.
Sobrang laki.
Large.
Sobrang laki nga.
Got our sining tanglaw shirt.
Sabagay, nakatakot.
Try mo suotin.
Laki na.
Nasa school na po ako. Yeah.
For cardio, for strength, for power, flexibility. Anong activity ang gagawin ninyo? For endurance. Okay? Obesity. O, anong activity? You get the point? Malinaw.
Yes po. So,
Okay, pag-uwi ko naman, ang ganda.
here is my common school meal. Ito, ube. Anong tawag dito? Ube pastry. And then chucky.
Hindi ko nakubusan ng motor.
Uy, nadala mo na sa pakol eh.
Ala, ang laki ng air bubble.
Alam ba?
Mamaya natin
Wala
dito,
naman.
may t-shirt na.
Alam ba?
T-shirt ni ma'am. Ang gamit daw niya.
Years ago.
Iriring ko yung bell para po si Crystal.
So, hello. I just got home from school and from that shopping trip with Adam. So, namili ako sa Watsons kasi I needed to buy some supplies that I need. Wait lang. Here's the receipt. Dugit na siya, I know. Pero yeah. First of all, I bought some facial foam. Ito talaga yung pinunta ko. Originally, ito, and this was the only thing that I was planning to buy. Pero, God had other plans. Kasunod ko naman binili was this. Crimson. Kasi wala na din akong crimson. Dalawa to, pero binigay ko na sa mother ko yung isa. So, yeah. And then, I also bought another one. Kasi hindi ako satisfied with that. Bumili naman ako ng body wash. Yan. Tatlo yung binili ko. And then, all of that costed around 730 pesos. The three of this. To, tatlong to. 300. It was quite an expensive day, I would say. Pero, I think it's all worth it kasi body care and stuff. And yeah, I think every 2 to 3 months nagastos na din ako ng ganon. Close to 1,000 pesos just for body care and stuff. So yeah, it's expensive. It is expensive being a girl. So yeah, I'll see you guys and I'll probably be editing this vlog na. So yeah, bye bye.